going on, guys? We're back again, working on someone else's car tonight. So they're here right now. Actually, he's getting ready to try to pull in. So we'll give it just a second, and he'll be in here. And it's the Fiesta again. But yeah, we're gonna work on his car tonight. We're gonna see if we can make the blow-off valve a little louder.
Yeah. I'm fucking spinning. The alcohol, the visions got me tripping. And man, we need some hoes, I'm getting dizzy over women. And maybe all my flows are for the optimistic cynic. Shit, hoe got a hell of a grip. It's never a problem till niggas is ballin' and bitches, they all wanna stick. I lickety split in the whip with my niggas, my family, my clique. And the broker's a joke, so I never be sleeping till I know I'm waking up rich.
What if I never even see you, cause we're both on a stage? Don't tell me listen to your song, because it isn't the same. I don't wanna say that love is a wave.
Quit fucking crying. You majoring in everything that's minor, shit is minor. This train ain't gonna stop, girl, it's you riding. But how can we move forward if you dwell on what's behind us? Giving you silver, no gold, stuff that I did but never show. All of the time you spend.
So here's the piece that he's putting on. I'm not really sure what it does. I guess we'll explain more, or he'll explain more when he puts it on. Who's this made by? Boomba?
Yeah, Boomba Racing.
I guess it's supposed to make the blow-off valve a little louder. Well, we'll see.
It's that cheap fix, bud.
It's that ricer fix right there.
Oh, fuck yeah, it is, man.
But I'll go through my garage. Dude, can't even hear it at all. Alright, you're good. Yeah, alright. This little part's installed. Let's see if it works. That is awesome. Oh yeah. Well, I don't know. What was that thing called? Made my Boomba. I will strongly recommend that to any Ford Fiesta owner. That thing is awesome. Alright guys, I'm back. Since Spangler's car's out of here, well, we got a little room cleared up. But we're gonna get started on my car tonight. We're back at it. Got the engine all tore out, as you guys can see. Everything's going good. Got most of the firewall stripped out besides brake lines, some other little miscellaneous stuff, shifter cables, all that. But we're gonna go ahead and cut the rest of the front end off tonight. See, we're gonna cut right here on the frame rails. Take all this out right here so we can get our tube radiator support, well, tube core support. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. Well, we're about halfway there. Let's get these frame rails cut. Well, here we are, guys and girls. I always forget to mention that because I do have a few girls that watch the videos. But we do have the frame rails cut, as you can see. I got some edges here of some shit that needs to come out, but I'm gonna get a spot weld tool and drill out all the spot welds to give it a nice clean look, so we don't have all those jagged edges. Still got a long way to go on this engine bay. I'm gonna get it all cleaned up and put the suspension back in so I can roll it outside and wash it first, even though it is 30 degrees and all that. But I'll be getting one of my other blocks over here soon enough so I can put some mounts on it and see where everything pretty much sits in the engine bay. So when we start getting everything fabbed up, we can make sure everything's right, get all my measurements right, give me a little more clearance for certain things. But everything should be pretty much the same. I'll be running another half-size radiator, same turbo setup. I'm not even really sure what manifold that is, but it is still gonna be running the HX35. Just turn the boost up a little bit, pretty much. But other than that, well, like I said, we're gonna get her all cleaned. And if any of the DSM guys that follow me have a source on a forward-facing manifold, that would be ideal because I would love to go that route. So if any of you guys have any connections or know of anyone that has one for sale, please let me know. Don't necessarily want to buy brand new, but if I have to, I have to. It might just be a little later on down the road, but I'd love to get one before I do this whole setup so I can get everything right where I want it. But we'll get moving along on that. Interior still looks about the same. The inside back here is pretty much finished up. I need to finish up a few things on the dash and move back here to the trunk. The trunk is all cut out now. I don't know if I showed you guys that, but still got to clean up a few edges in there and weld in my support. Well, I already got the metal to do the supports there and the aluminum to put as a cover. So we'll get that done, but as for now, we're going to keep working on this engine bay, and well, I'm going to wrap it up for tonight. But thank you guys for watching. As you know, I appreciate it, really do. Love doing this for you guys. Sorry I've been kind of late on my content, but it is what it is. Family stuff happens, you know. Still moving along on my house, and it happens. But I'll try and keep you guys a little more updated. I do post quite a bit on my Instagram, so if you guys want to follow me on that, same thing as my username. But feel free to share the videos, like, subscribe, leave some comments. I love it. Thank you guys. Good night.